we don't really know what's happening, with what the government policy and all this. We see them announcing things every day, every other day. I think we just have to be vigilant and just plan. Maybe not plan for the year ahead, maybe plan a few weeks ahead or few months ahead, and just base it on that rather than looking at the year ahead. I think that would be the best. I think that would be one of my advice.
Yeah. I guess that's very pragmatic, no? Because you really can't see now. There's so much uncertainty, right?
Yeah.
But I think you're right. We still have to plan anyway, at least for the next few weeks.
Yeah.
I basically tell my clients you got to plan for 13 weeks forward. From a cash flow projection standpoint, as well as from a business standpoint.
Yeah.
And you got to have multiple plans. No, in times like this, you got to do. I mean, you can't go into too much detail, but you got to do a lot of scenario planning. No, what if?
Correct.
And what if there's a lifting of the lockdown in 2 weeks' time instead of 2 months' time, or in
Correct.
2 months' time instead of 2 weeks' time? No.
You're right.
Yeah.
So in fact, that's one of the things. I think a lot of them, I also tell them, we used to look at cash flow maybe as a yearly thing. Then we look at it as a monthly thing. I think now you probably have to do a cash flow projection on a weekly basis.
Yes.
And play with a scenario and see how it affects you if this thing come in, that thing come in, or suddenly this, you have to pay this and so on. So you're right. I think, you have to probably reduce your concentration to the weeks ahead rather than months or year.